Welcome to a journey beyond Earth, where the atmospheres of distant worlds hold secrets waiting to be uncovered. Today, we explore the extreme environments of all the planets in our solar system, from the searing heat of Venus to the frigid winds of Neptune. What makes these planetary atmospheres so unique and hostile? Join us as we delve into the mysteries of these alien worlds and reveal the forces that shape them. In today's video, we're going to explore the unique atmospheres of Venus and other planets in our solar system. Each planet has a distinct atmosphere that influences everything from surface temperature to weather patterns. We'll break down these atmospheres to understand how these planets function and how they compare to our home planet, Earth. But here's the challenge. Understanding planetary atmospheres isn't just about satisfying curiosity. These atmospheres are key to unlocking how these worlds work. They shape the planet's environment and can even teach us about potential dangers and opportunities for future exploration. Yet many people aren't aware of how extreme these conditions can be. So let's take a closer look. Let's start with Venus, our so-called sister planet. Venus's atmosphere is a thick, toxic soup of carbon dioxide with clouds of sulfuric acid. The surface pressure is about 92 times that of Earth. Imagine being under the ocean, thousands of feet below the surface. That's the kind of pressure we're talking about. This runaway greenhouse effect traps heat so effectively that Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system, with temperatures reaching over 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. Despite being further from the sun than Mercury, Venus's thick atmosphere makes it even hotter. It's a vivid example of what can happen when a greenhouse effect runs wild. For scientists, Venus is like a cautionary tale in the study of climate change. Next, let's jump to the gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn. These planets are enormous, mostly made of hydrogen and helium, with no solid surface to speak of. Their atmospheres are incredibly dynamic, with layers of clouds and powerful storms. Jupiter's Great Red Spot, for example, is a massive storm that's been raging for centuries, bigger than the entire Earth. And then there's Saturn, famous for its rings, but also home to some wild weather. Saturn's upper atmosphere has winds that can reach speeds of over 1,000 miles per hour. That's more than 5 times faster than the strongest hurricanes on Earth. Now let's head to Mars and Mercury. Mars, the red planet, has a thin atmosphere composed mostly of carbon dioxide, but it's so thin that it can't retain much heat. This leads to extreme temperature swings between day and night, from a mild summer day to Antarctic winter in a matter of hours. On the other hand, Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, has an almost non-existent atmosphere, or exosphere. It's made up mostly of oxygen, sodium, and hydrogen. But it's so thin that it doesn't protect the planet from the Sun's intense heat. As a result, Mercury experiences the most dramatic temperature changes in the solar system, up to 1,100 degrees Fahrenheit between day and night. Here's the most intriguing part. Despite its position as the second planet from the Sun, Venus holds the title of the hottest planet, all thanks to its extreme greenhouse effect. This makes Venus not just a fascinating study, but a stark reminder of how critical an atmosphere is in determining a planet's environment. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour through the atmospheres of our neighboring planets. From the suffocating heat of Venus to the stormy skies of Jupiter, each atmosphere tells its own story. Which planet's atmosphere did you find the most fascinating? Let us know in the comments. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, stay curious.